In a world fixated on the sleek promise of electric vehicles, EVs, leading the charge toward sustainable transportation, imagine the seismic shockwaves rippling through the industry at the mere mention of a revolutionary new water engine, unveiled by none other than Elon Musk himself. This announcement doesn't just hint at innovation, it's a thunderclap of uncertainty and anticipation. Musk, a name synonymous with audacious visions and game-changing breakthroughs, once again steps into the global spotlight with a technological marvel that could rewrite the annals of automotive history. But before we dive into the depths of this groundbreaking revelation, let's kick things off with a little excitement. Smash that like button and hit subscribe for all the latest updates. Elon Musk's legacy of pushing boundaries stretches from the early days of PayPal through the stratospheric heights of SpaceX and the electric empire of Tesla. He's not just an innovator, he's a force of nature, constantly challenging what we thought was possible. And now, with the unveiling of this water engine, he's steering us into uncharted territory. So, what's the buzz all about? Musk's water engine isn't just your run-of-the-mill tech. It's a game-changer fueled by the simple yet elegant process of electrolysis, splitting water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. Picture this: a sustainable, practically limitless source of hydrogen fuel, powered by renewable energy sources, with emissions that amount to nothing more than a whisper of water vapor. Forget the limitations of electric batteries. This is the future of clean energy, delivered straight from Musk's boundless imagination. But here's the kicker: this isn't just about green technology. It's about rewriting the rules of the game. Musk's water engine isn't content to simply coexist with electric vehicles. It's here to challenge the very foundation upon which they stand. And as we embark on this journey of discovery, one thing becomes abundantly clear: the automotive landscape is on the brink of a revolution. So, buckle up and join us as we delve into the heart of Musk's latest innovation. This isn't just about transportation, it's about rewriting the future, one hydrogen molecule at a time. At the heart of Musk's announcement is a newly developed, highly efficient electrolysis system. Traditional methods of hydrogen production have been criticized for their energy inefficiency and high costs. Musk's water engine reportedly utilizes advanced catalysts and cutting-edge materials that drastically reduce the energy required for electrolysis. This breakthrough could make hydrogen production not only feasible, but also economically viable on a large scale, a feat that has eluded the industry for decades. The implications of this technology are profound. Electric vehicles, despite their environmental benefits, face significant limitations. Battery production is resource-intensive, relying heavily on rare minerals such as lithium, cobalt, and nickel. These resources are often mined under conditions that are both environmentally damaging and ethically questionable. Furthermore, the disposal of used batteries presents a substantial environmental hazard. In contrast, a water engine powered by hydrogen fuel cells would sidestep these issues, offering a cleaner and potentially more sustainable alternative. The automotive industry is bracing for the ripple effects of Musk's revelation. Major automakers, many of whom have invested billions in the development of electric vehicles, are now confronted with the prospect of an industry upheaval. The infrastructure built around EVs, from charging stations to battery recycling facilities, could become obsolete if hydrogen fuel cell technology takes precedence. Companies heavily invested in EVs must now grapple with strategic decisions: continue to pursue electric vehicle technology, pivot towards hydrogen, or attempt to balance both. Tesla, Musk's own electric vehicle giant, is in a particularly intriguing position. Known for its market leadership in the EV sector, Tesla has championed the mass adoption of electric cars and the expansion of charging networks globally. The introduction of a water engine by the very company that popularized electric cars presents a paradox. However, it also underscores Musk's commitment to sustainable energy, regardless of the form it takes. Tesla's potential pivot to hydrogen technology could signify a new chapter for the company, leveraging its innovative prowess to spearhead yet another automotive revolution. The environmental impact of Musk's water engine cannot be overstated. Hydrogen fuel cells produce zero emissions, with water vapor being the only byproduct. This contrasts sharply with the carbon emissions associated with fossil fuel vehicles and the environmental toll of battery production and disposal. The adoption of hydrogen technology could significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions, aligning with global efforts to combat climate change. Moreover, hydrogen can be produced using renewable energy sources, further enhancing its environmental credentials. Critics, however, are quick to point out the challenges that remain. The production, storage, and transportation of hydrogen are fraught with technical and logistical hurdles. Hydrogen is notoriously difficult to store and transport due to its low density and high flammability. The development of a robust infrastructure for hydrogen distribution is essential for the widespread adoption of water engines. Musk's announcement, while groundbreaking, must be accompanied by significant advancements in these areas to ensure the practicality and safety of hydrogen-powered vehicles. The geopolitical ramifications of a shift towards hydrogen technology are equally significant. Currently, the global energy landscape is dominated by fossil fuels, with oil-producing nations wielding considerable influence. The transition to electric vehicles threatens to disrupt this balance, given the different resource dependencies associated with battery production. A pivot to hydrogen could further alter geopolitical dynamics, potentially reducing the world's reliance on oil and reshaping energy alliances. Countries rich in renewable energy resources might emerge as key players in a hydrogen-powered future, leveraging their capacity to produce green hydrogen. Public reception of Musk's water engine has been mixed. Enthusiasts and environmental advocates herald the technology as a beacon of hope for a cleaner future. Skeptics, on the other hand, question the feasibility of overcoming the technical barriers associated with hydrogen. The history of technological innovation is replete with examples of promising advancements that failed to materialize due to unforeseen challenges. Musk's ambitious claims must be substantiated by tangible results and practical applications to gain widespread acceptance. In response to Musk's announcement, governments and regulatory bodies are likely to play a pivotal role. Policies and incentives that have historically supported electric vehicles may need to be re-evaluated in light of this new technology. Investment in hydrogen infrastructure, research grants for further development, and regulatory frameworks ensuring safety and environmental standards will be crucial in facilitating the transition. The collaboration between public and private sectors will determine the pace and success of hydrogen adoption. The potential economic impact of Musk's water engine extends beyond the automotive industry. The energy sector, manufacturing, and even consumer goods could be influenced by the shift towards hydrogen. Industries that currently rely on fossil fuels might find cleaner, more sustainable alternatives through hydrogen technology. The ripple effects could stimulate economic growth, drive job creation in new sectors, and foster innovation across various fields. Musk's vision for the future extends beyond terrestrial applications. SpaceX, his aerospace company, could also benefit from advancements in hydrogen technology. Hydrogen has long been used as a rocket fuel, and improvements in production and storage could enhance the efficiency and sustainability of space missions. The synergy between Musk's ventures could accelerate the development of a cohesive multi-industry approach to hydrogen utilization, reinforcing his legacy as a transformative figure in both energy and space exploration. As the world watches the unfolding drama of Musk's latest innovation, one thing is certain: the journey towards a sustainable future is far from over. The water engine represents a potential paradigm shift, challenging entrenched technologies and offering a glimpse into a new era of clean energy. Whether it ultimately destroys the EV industry or coexists as a complementary technology remains to be seen. The coming years will be a critical period of experimentation, adaptation, and transformation, driven by the relentless pursuit of innovation that Elon Musk embodies. Elon Musk's unveiling of a water engine signifies a monumental moment in the evolution of transportation technology. The promise of a cleaner, more sustainable alternative to electric vehicles has the potential to redefine the automotive landscape and address pressing environmental concerns. However, The realization of this vision hinges on overcoming substantial technical and infrastructural challenges. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, could you leave your comments below and tell us, do you think Elon Musk's water engine can revolutionize the EV industry? We want to hear from you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.